In this video, I'll guide you through how to sort Google tasks on your computer so your to-do list actually works the way you think. We'll walk through how to change the order of your tasks right inside Gmail or Google Calendar, and I'll explain what each sorting option really does so you can pick the one that fits your style. First, make sure you're signed into your Google account and you have either Gmail or Google Calendar open in your browser. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical toolbar. Look for the blue checkmark icon labeled Tasks. Go ahead and click that. This opens the Tasks panel where you can see all the tasks in your currently selected list. Once the Tasks panel is open, look near the top. You'll see the name of your task list, and just below that, the option to add a task. Right next to add a task, there are three small vertical dots. This is your list options menu. Click those three dots to open the sorting and list settings. In the menu that appears, you'll see a section labeled Sort By. This is where you choose how your tasks are arranged. There are three main options: My Order, Date, and Starred Recently. I'll go through each one and explain how they change the way your tasks appear. Let's start with My Order. If you select this, you are in full control of the order of your tasks. You can click and drag each task up or down the list to arrange them exactly how you want. This is helpful if you like to group tasks by project, by priority, or just in the order you plan to work on them. Think of My Order as a completely manual mode. Nothing will move unless you move it, so it's perfect if you like that hands-on control. Next, choose the Date option if you prefer a more structured, time-based view. When you select Date, Google Tasks will automatically sort all your tasks chronologically by their due dates. Tasks with earlier deadlines will appear toward the top and later ones will follow. Any tasks that don't have a date set will be grouped into a separate no date section at the bottom of the list. This makes it really easy to scan what's coming up soon and what doesn't yet have a specific deadline. If you want this to be effective, it helps to go through and add due dates to your most important tasks so they land in the right place. Finally, there's the Starred Recently option. Choose this if you like to quickly mark things as important and see them floated to the top. When you select Starred Recently, your most recently starred tasks will show up first in your list. This doesn't ignore dates or other details, but it does prioritize anything you've marked with a star, treating those as your current top priorities. It's a convenient way to highlight what matters right now without having to constantly drag tasks around. You can switch between these sorting options at any time by opening the list options menu again and choosing a different setting. Feel free to experiment until the list feels natural to you. That's all you need to sort Google tasks in Gmail or Calendar. With just a couple of clicks, you can go from a messy list to an organized view that matches the way you work.